Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. I have a new video for you guys today. So if you guys clearly remember, I dropped this strategy on this channel some time ago. So I'm still using this strategy, guys. I don't know if you guys are making good use of the strategy. So I said, let me show you another proof that this strategy actually works. So this is Vix75 index and the 15 minutes time frame. So I entered the trade, I even entered the trade a little bit late. This was where I was supposed to enter the trade, right here after the closing of this candle, but I entered here actually. I entered it and left it overnight, and it's still riding all the way up. So I'm currently up about $6,000 plus. It's more than $6,000 right now. This is Vix75 index with 0.1 lot size. I opened 9 positions with this trade on my account, and I'm already up $6,000. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you guys the settings for this strategy once again. I'm going to give you guys details about this strategy, how it works best, the best time frame to use this strategy, and the zoom level too. So, and also how to set your screen. A lot of you guys ask me these questions all the time. How do I set my screen? I don't know how to set my screen. So this is how you set your screen. This is how you set your screen. Just shift the screen like this and make sure your chart is around this position. It shouldn't be here or here or here. It should be around here. And this is how you set your screen. I hope you guys understand that. So then, when best can you use this strategy? Guys, kindly know that this strategy works actually on every time frame depending on the kind of trader you are. If you are a scalper, you can just do your analysis on 15 minutes time frame to see the trend, to see the current market trend. Then go to your 1 minute time frame for your entry. Since you are a scalper, you just want to enter the market fast and move out fast. So just do your analysis on 15 minutes time frame and then find your entry on the 1 minute time frame. That is if you are a scalper. Then if you are maybe day trader or something, you could do maybe intraday trader or something, you could just do your analysis on the 1 hour time frame and then find your entry on the 5 minutes time frame. You could also find your entry, maybe find sniper entry on the 1 minute time frame if you've done your analysis on the 1 hour time frame. So likewise, if you are a swinger, you basically know how it works. That means you're going to hold your trade for a very long time. So you go to like weekly, monthly time frame, then come down all the way down to your daily time frame and 4 hours time frame, and then find your entry just like that. So that is basically how it works. But I know most of us are actually scalpers or intraday traders. So what you can basically do is, if you're a scalper, go to the 15 minutes time frame, then just find the current market trend, very short term trend, and then go to your 1 minute time frame for your entries. Then if you're an intraday trader like me, just go to your 4 hours time frame, find your entries in the 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes, or you could do your analysis on the 4 hours time frame, then find your entries on the 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame. The same thing applies to the 1 hour too. If you do your analysis on the 1 hour time frame, find your entries on the 5 minutes time frame or sniper entries on 1 minute time frame. So depending on where you do your analysis, I basically most of the time I do my analysis on the 1 hour time frame and find my entries on the 5 minutes time frame. But sometimes the 1 hour time frame might not really give you a very clear picture of what the market is doing. Sometimes you have to go back to your 4 hours time frame before you get a clear picture of what's going on the market. So that's how basically I do my trade. I go to my 1 hour time frame, do my analysis there, and then find my entry on the 5 minutes time frame or if I'm looking for sniper entry, which I basically do all the time. I'm sure none of us wants any bit of drawdown. Drawdown, especially if you have a small account, it's going to blow up your account. A little bit of drawdown. So we always look for sniper entries. So you look for sniper entry on the 1 minute time frame. Sometimes even the 5 minutes time frame will give you a sniper entry. But I basically do my analysis on the 1 hour time frame, then make my entries on the 5 minutes time frame. So that is basically how you use this strategy in particular, that time frame wise, interchangeably. So that is for that. Then the zoom level is actually the third zoom level. So this is the first zoom level. So this is the second zoom level. This is the third zoom level. So that is how you do it. The third zoom level. I'm sure you guys understand that. That is for the zoom level. Then how do you use this strategy? It's basically a buy and sell market. We all know that. So we have our RSI levels here, 10, 20, 80, 90. So the moment our envelope comes all the way down to the 10 level, we should know that the market is actually in the oversold region and is about to start buying. So what you need to do is you have to wait for this envelope, which is the black line. You have to wait for the envelope to cross the 20 level before you make your entries. The moment the envelope crosses the 20 level, just enter for a buy. So your take profit is going to be the 80 level. That is where you should take your profit. I should be taking my profit any moment from now. The market has reached the overbought region based on this strategy. So likewise for the sell, you wait for your envelopes to reach the 90 level and retrace all the way down to the 80 level. So the moment the market crosses down to the 80 level, you enter for the sell. Just like in this case. The market rode all the way up and reached the 90 level. Then what happened? When it reached the 80 level and crossed it, you enter for the sell. The market might retrace a little bit, but don't worry about that. It's definitely going to drop. So then the market dropped all the way down to the 10 level. So that is basically how the strategy works. It's a very simple strategy, no complications attached to it and all that. There's nothing like complexity here. It's a very, very simple thing. All you have to work on is your patience. You have to be patient enough to wait for a very good setup like this. That means your envelope reaching either the overbought region or oversold region before you enter for your trades. A lot of us lack patience. That is why we actually force ourselves on the market and then end up blowing up the account. So you just have to work on your patience. So then the settings, let me show you guys the settings. This is the settings. So we basically have two indicators. The first one is the relative strength index, RSI. Then the period is 1, applied to its close. Then for the levels, we have level 10, level 9, level 0, and then level 91, 90, 20, and 80. You give it any color of your choice. You can select any type of line you want, either broken or dotted, but I prefer using the normal line. After doing that, you click on done. Then you click on done again. That is for the RSI. That's for the RSI 1. Then for the second indicator, which is the envelope, under indicator window 1, go and look for envelope, search for it. This is it, the third indicator here. Click on it. The period is 1 also. Shift is 0. Deviation is 0.000. Method is muted. Then apply to its close. After doing that, the upper band should be blue, and then the lower band should be black or any color of your choice. So after doing that, you click on done, and this is what you should have on your screen, guys. So please like this video, subscribe to this channel if you've not yet, then join my Telegram group if you want to. The link is down there in the description of this video. The broker I use the link is also down there in the description of the video. Then for those of you that are still interested in the Forex Masterclass, the link is also down there in the description of this video. So like this video, guys. If you've not, give me a thumbs up. I'm sure you got value. subscribe to the channel if you've not, and also turn on notification bell icon such that anytime I drop a good video like this, a new strategy, you can actually have access to you'll be among the first people to be notified by YouTube that okay, I've dropped a new strategy. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.